Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'll be reviewing my Lego Xbox One. Now it is possible that I made one of these in the past, and I've made one again, because I basically built one, and then I basically destroyed it, then built it again, until the point I decided I've got to build it again, because why not? So here the Xbox One is, and it's glorious victory. Sorry of course it's bad at the moment. I haven't been able to get a high quality camera. So as you can see, I've got up there to the turn on button. The disk drawer cannot no longer hold this. In fact, I'll put the camera here. So, well, there was a tutorial over on YouTube on how to make a Lego Xbox One. Anyway, so this, I'm gonna pause the video while I've got something that I want. So, see you in a minute, guys. Anyway, guys, I am back to the point that I've got my Dalek. Now, we're real on top of my Xbox. So, here's my Dalek. I got this for Christmas off my grandma and granddad. I don't really think the cut this is good. Sorry. I think I can get the best light or a good light on my bed. So, guys. So now I'm back, and I'm going through a lot of trouble with my Xbox One now. Well, with my Dalek. Xbox One. So, I'm going to move on to the detail now. So the range of detail is very good. You've got this nice black gloss on the hemispheres, and you've got a nice core. I like the finish of the kind of I think there's something wrong with the nope, it's not burnt or anything. So, we're going on to the features now. You got the plunger, or suction ball, whatever, with the work tip. And yes, it is like one of the normal Daleks. And we've got the gun. By the way, guys, these pieces, these arms, to come out, so they don't come out very easily though, so don't worry. So, and the airstock goes up and down. And so, head moves 360 Lego piece. The head rotates 360 degrees. Not degrees Celsius. So yeah, I'm going to close it again. So now guys, we are back, and the Dalek is facing backwards. And it is possible just to turn it back around. All you got to do is spin it around. Now, this is a talking one. This is, this is 5-inch. 5-inch packaging down here. And I'll just show you. Packaging. The cards fell out the back. At the bottom, the cards fell out. I could keep this card actually. If I keep like the barcode in it, then I could probably buy more things. So I could buy another of them project. I guess the barcodes couldn't break it. So I'm actually going to put a light here. Seems it's kind of bad lighting up there. So it looks kind of cool that in there. So what I'm going to do is, it looks like it's shiny. It's nice shiny. Anyway, so let's move on to the effects. So there's a button down here. There's a button here. You see where my phone is. It's on this one. You press it. It's got simple sound effects, and I think there's like 5, so we just went through 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. think that was 8. So we're back to that. So I think there's 8 phrases. It should kind of tell me on the box. I don't really know. It doesn't really say. By the way, this is from Genesis of the Daleks, which came out in 1975. And I don't even know where. This is wave 12 of sound effects characters. I'll just hook on underneath you've got, don't know if you can see it quite well. Underneath. This camera is not really good. I know. I just don't do this. Hold on, guys. So guys, I am back, and you can see we've got three wheels. One spins around and two don't. We've got the battery part, which says there's a number 04352B 334 238, and this is from Character Options Ltd. OL4 5JL UK. AG 1313/LR44 3X 1.5V. And you don't really need to know that, because I'm not going to go through that once the video is finished. Now, I will make another review in a minute. Let me see what battery's on. Alright, we got 75%. So I'm going to end it here, guys. And peace out. Bye, guys. Peace.